For this video in Blender, we're gonna mainly focus on the 3D viewport right here, this one, and how to manipulate the objects that you see on your viewport. So first things first, let's say you wanna move this in the X, Y, or Z direction. You can select the option right here and move it along those axes. One thing you should know is that, let's say you've selected this option and then you selected the object. If you press any of the three XYZ buttons, it'll change your orientation. So now it's X, now it's Y, now it's Z, and that gives you a little freedom. So let's say, again, you want to move your object in XYZ coordinates, but you don't want to push this button. You want to use like a shortcut. You can press G. And so you can move it all around. And let's say you want a little more stability to it. So once you press G, you can also press Y. And so now you're locked into the Y axis. Then you can press X, you're again locked into the X axis, and so forth. And you can keep doing this, like let's say for rotation and so forth. Remember, if you select here, you have to hold on to the object while you're changing with the buttons, the XYZ. But if, let's say for rotation, you press the R button, this is weird, right? And then you press Y, you don't really have to hold. It's just kind of holding for you, which is honestly a little easier. Those shortcuts do help. Let's say you want to resize. Another shortcut, press S. Ooh, that's way too big. Let's say you just want to resize on the Z axis, and press C, and it'll do that for you. And then you click and it'll stop. Let's say, what do you call it? Scale, that's right. That's the S, that's the R, and that's G. Those are the shortcuts for these. And then for transform, I think if I remember correctly, once you hit this button, you have pretty much access to all three different scale, resize, rotation, and movement, like all in one go. I think you can do the same with a shortcut, but I'm not sure. Nope. Okay. All right, we'll have that there. One extra thing I can, I guess, add to the video is, like, let's say you want to add a different cube, right? Click the add cube, and this little, I guess, gizmo or whatever will let you create new one. So then on this axis right here, and then go up. Like, you can even do it to another object. So let's say the old object, right? So this is like the side faces. So then you could be like, there's your square. You can go this way or that way, and you can build things upon this. Honestly, it's really cool. It might speed up your, like you want to create stairs or body parts or something like that. It's really fast. So yeah, definitely pay attention to the little add cube option right there. But these are the basics for viewport, how to manipulate your object in the XYZ, rotation, scale, and so forth. Hope that helps, and see you in the next video.